Hello everyone and welcome back to RysFix. Today I'm going slightly off topic and I'm going to talk about this Daichi hard drive. As you guys can see, I bought this hard drive and what happened to me after I bought this, that I will share in this video so that you guys will save yourself from trouble. So like the video now only, and if you are new to this channel then see that you subscribe. Come on, let's start the video. So guys, I bought this Daichi hard drive. As you guys can see, it offers a 2 years warranty and it's a 500 GB hard drive. I wanted a cheap hard drive, so by looking at this 2 years warranty, I bought this hard drive. Now for 1 year it worked well, and after 1 year the hard drive stopped working. So after that I started to contact the support. I emailed them many times, but I absolutely got no response. Which means that this 2 years warranty is absolutely fake, guys. If you go on their website looks so real and it is top class website. But when you try to contact them, nobody answers. Which means that this 2 years warranty is just to fool people. And these hard drives are going to stop working after 6 months, after 1 year, and for sure they are not dependable. So if you are storing important information on these hard drives, you better beware, because you don't know when they will stop working. People get fooled because they are so cheap. You get this for around $1,000 on Amazon. I bought it on Amazon, but when it comes to warranty, they don't offer any warranty. And these hard drives are not dependable at all. So in my opinion, if you want to buy a dependable hard drive, if you want to store important information on this, then you better put some extra money and buy a Seagate or a WD hard drive. But depending on this, will put you into solid trouble. You might feel that this is a good deal, but when you lose all your information, there is no point in crying after that. So I have done my job of telling you guys what happened to me. Now it is totally your decision if you want to go for this or no. So that is all what I wanted to share in this video. I don't need to prove anything. You can go on Amazon and check all the comments and you will see many people trying to contact the support and nobody answered them. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like it and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, bye and take care.